Hello guys, it's BJ and today we're back with another video. And today guys, it's April Fool's Day today, right? And in Adopt Me, you could actually get rocks. Look at this guys, you can get rocks. And the funny thing is, it's full grown. And it's an uncommon. And it can fly and ride, and I didn't even buy it, it was for free guys. Look at this pet rock. And it's the fact that it's so funny that it has tape and a straw on it, and everybody's just here riding their rocks. Like, look at me, I'm flying with my rock here, and I'm gonna name it. Let's see, I'm gonna name it. Oh, I know. ASAP Rocky. I don't even know. Oh my god, it even put in. Wait, let's see now. Wait, ASAP Rocky. I don't even know if I'm spelling this right. ASAP Rocky. I'm gonna just keep it like that. But yeah, guys, everyone is just getting free rocks and just riding it across the place. And when I first went on the Adopt Me, it was just say this rock, and I was like, what? Is it gonna be legendary? And I found out it was uncommon, guys. It was uncommon, and I'm surprised that it's actually it's already full grown. I went over here and checked if you can get more, so because it's a full grown and it came with a full grown, but you can't actually, you can only get one. So basically, oh wait, I'm gonna ask if anyone wants to trade for it so I can create a neon. Let's see. Oh, okay, declined. Let's see. I need to find someone that has a rock, a pet rock. Oh, okay, I'm going inside, guys. I'm going inside to get that rock. I want 2 rocks. Okay. Which rock is it? Okay, it says, let me trade her. Let's see. What did he trade for that? No, it's. What does she want? I want rock pet. Rock pet. Wait a minute. How about I just put... Wait. Okay, I'll accept it then. Alright, trade was successful. Guys, that was successful. Okay, so we have a full grown. We have 3 full growns. OMG, my friend. OMG. OMG. She got a neon. My friend, this is my friend right here, guys, and she got a neon. No way. I'm making a vid right now. Say hi. Literally, guys. Oh my god. I got 3 full-grown dogs. This video is about just talking about the rock of. I'm making a neon ride dog? No way! Wow, guys, she's trying to make a neon ride dog. Oh my god, guys! So basically, we got 3 full-grown dogs. So we need 1 more to actually make 2 neon dogs, guys. If we get 2 neon dogs, I'm gonna do a giveaway of it. Okay, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So if I get 2 neon dogs, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm just gonna sell that 1 neon dog. So if you want it, all you have to do is like, click that little bell, and comment down below. Comment down below if you want it. Then I'll get all the names, and then I'll randomize it. So I'll just click on someone, and if I click on that person, then you'll get it. So if you want it, all you have to do is just do those instructions. And I really am surprised that she is trying to make one of Neon Dog, but it's rideable. I don't even have enough Robux to make one. Look at all those rocks, guys. Oh my god. Wait, let's talk to him. Hi, dear neighbor. What's wrong? Well, I'm financially ruined. I ordered this 5-ton shipment of pet rocks, but nobody wants to buy any. Please, I'm begging you. Just take one. I did take one. And he offered. I like it how I'm just gliding. Everybody's just gliding with rocks. Like, it's actually so funny. Like, everybody's just gliding around, guys. We need one more. Okay, I'm gonna say, if you have a grown dog, trade, and I'll give ultra rare. Or is it Shiba? Yeah, check this. Shiba Inu. This is my new favorite pet, guys. Yeah. Please, I only need one more full-grown dog. I have 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. I'm gonna see if anyone's is like. All I have is newborns. And that'll take a long time still. But we're just dealing with the puppy, guys. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, I love this, honestly. Like, I could never let this go. Thank you, but oh, I'm yawning. Okay, let's see what this guy gets. What do you get? A restaurant. Alright, we're gonna save up our money. We're gonna try and get some trades in this. Let's see. Accept. Okay, let's see. I got a mouse. I traded my mouse. This and this. Okay, she declined. Guys, wait, I'm just gonna check if my friend's still in the lobby. Okay, she is. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh my god. I'm the king of the world. Wait, let me just see if there's any rarity of this. Is it the rarest uncommon in the game? We have to go and check. Imagine it's the rarest uncommon in the game, guys. If it's the rarest uncommon in the game, then and nobody's online, that would just literally be funny. Alright, so this is the uncommon pile. So it's rarer than Blue Dog. Well, I think Blue Dog's much more rarer. As you can see, I got the Choco Dog. And then the Rocky. The Rock Pet. And then I have the rarest one in the game, the Unicorn. And I have the Parrot. I'm trying to sell for my Parrot, guys. Because, I want to go for a new legendary pet. So I'm gonna do selling parrots. Cause I really want to sell my parrot. If I sell my parrot, guys, then and I get another legendary, I'll show it off to you guys. I'll make a video about it, and I'll tell you guys what I traded it for. But right now, guys, I'm just trying to. Oh, we need to wait. I'm gonna try and take care of my new dog. Yeah. So let's see what he wants to do. You wanna jump on the trampoline, buddy? Let's see activities, guys. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I need this dog to do something. Please ask me for anything. Honestly. Oh, does anyone have flamingo? I used to have flamingo. I traded it. Oh, we need to look for something. Oh, and if you was wondering what my cars look like, it looks like this. So I got banana car, hoverboard, Santa sleigh, I got ice queen sleigh, I got 2 donut unicycles, I got a muscle car, and I got a motorcycle. So basically all the cars that I got, all the uncommons and all of those I just sold them. Let's see who wants popcorn. No guys, I have to tell you something. I have a lot of popcorn. Look guys, you ready? Look. If we go to food, look at all this popcorn and a sandwich. So let's see. If the dog's hungry, then we can just give him. Oh, okay. What about? Oh my god. Oh, this girl's glitching, bro. Please accept. I need this girl to. Okay, well, yeah, she has to do me like that, guys. Okay. Parrot is my dream. Ooh. I have parrot. Let's see what he says. Where did he go? I don't even know what he got where he went. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Wait, I'm gonna say to my friend something. What will you trade for parrot? What will you trade? What will you trade for parrot? Oh my god. Ride golden rat. I don't know. Okay, I can deal with that. Okay. She has to stop jumping, man. Stop. Why should you? Yeah. Like, stay still, buddy. Buddy. Yeah. Please, stay still. Finally. Okay. There, parrot. Ooh. He's adding stuff as well. Alright, thanks. Oh, thanks. Thank you. You both said thank you. No problem. Okay, so We got a golden rat.